Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make Google Drive folder accessible to everyone. Making your Google Drive folder accessible involves changing sharing settings to allow public access. For this, you need to open your Google Drive application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Now here you'll be taken to Home. Now here you can create a folder by tapping on New option on the down. Here I am just going to change the accessible feature on my folder that I have already created. For that, tap on Files option on the down right. Then here select the folder. Now tap on the three dots present on the side of the folder. Now tap on Manage Access option. After this, here you'll be taken to this interface. Now to make Google Drive accessible to everyone, you'll be able to see Change option down restricted. Tap on Change option. Now here you can see Restricted option on the first. Tap on Restricted. Now tap on Anyone with Link option. After this, you'll be provided with Viewer option. Tap on Viewer option. Now here you can see three types of label. Viewer mode enables others to only view files in folders. Commenter mode enables others to view and comment on file, and editor mode allows others to view, comment and edit the file. So choose the appropriate level of access based on your need. I'm going on with editor. Then now tap on the small oval icon present on the top right corner. With this, now you'll be able to copy the link of the folder. Now you can share the link with anyone on any platform, and they will have the access to your folder. As I have set editor mode, now the person with the link will be able to edit my Drive folder. This is how we can make Google Drive folder accessible to everyone. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.